Salesforce Marketing Cloud is mainly used to identify leads and guide them towards your product and services. Forget about Salesforce, forget about coding, forget about everything. It's basic of what does our marketing team do, what does a sales team do. It is as simple as differences like that. Okay, so Salesforce Marketing Cloud team technically will provide you the application. Or for example, I am working with Jaguar and Land Rover, the company which sells in car all over the world. Okay, so they are using both Marketing Cloud and Sales Cloud. The difference is why they are using Marketing Cloud, because they want to identify leads. Okay, how will you identify leads? You will do promotions, you will target them on email, you will target them on different channels. Correct? Simple layman terms like this. And you will guide them towards your product and services. Okay, let's say Jaguar and Land Rover is a product based company, but a company like insurance company like Bharti AXA Life Insurance is an insurance company which provides services. They also want to have leads. If they will not have leads, how will they convert new customers? So this is Marketing Cloud job. Now your question, what does a Sales Cloud do? What does a CRM do? Salesforce CRM is built to close the deals and bring in revenue. Okay, they will tell the Marketing Cloud, okay, this is all the data of the leads, all the data of the owners, it has to be stored somewhere. Okay, the major job or the majority job of Marketing Cloud is they have the engagement data. Okay, they have the data. Okay, I am your customer, I am your lead, but what did you do when I send you when the company send you the communication? For example, a SMS, for example, a email, for example, if they have targeted you on Facebook or Instagram, have you clicked on the link? Have you watched their the advertisement for more than 3 seconds? How will they get targeted? So that is Marketing Cloud. In order to manage all the data of everything. Okay, maybe there are many functionalities in Salesforce also, but the overall, you can understand like this: the overall data of the company resides in Salesforce Sales Cloud. Okay, and when I talk about Marketing Cloud, it is mainly used to target customers in order to bring incremental leads, incremental sales, or close down this thing. Sales Cloud can also send emails. Sales Cloud and also can send SMS. But the powerful functionality of Marketing Cloud. So I'll give you this information. Till 2011-12, marketing exact target was a different company. Salesforce acquired it to build a niche called Marketing Cloud. Okay, they were providing the same facility with Sales Cloud, but then sooner they realized that the power of Marketing Cloud, when the kind of effort which was needed to upgrade Sales Cloud for the in order to make it a Marketing Cloud was huge investment. In turn, what they did, they bought Exact Target and converted it into a Salesforce product. Okay, now you can see it's a core layman terms. Okay, this is what does a marketing do? Marketing is the similar process what a Marketing Cloud does. What does a sales team do? Is a similar process what a and more what a Sales Cloud does and more. Okay, there's so many things. When you enter this ecosystem, you'll get to know it's a huge ecosystem, huge opportunities. And in terms of when because see, when I learned in, my also question was that what are the kind of job opportunities, what is going on around. And I'll assure you, my friend, there are so ample opportunities right now. Even though the market is bleak, like little bit bleak, but it is not bleak for Salesforce ecosystem professionals. I can assure you this thing. Okay. I personally, I get calls from so many consulting agencies and so many companies that are you looking out for job in this market scenario? Okay. I hope I answered your question.
Yeah, I'm trying to configuring it in my mind. So yeah,
Yeah.
for now.
So it is simple. Is as simple as what a marketing team in an organization does and what a sales team in an organization does. Marketing team, what it will do is it will direct new leads, existing customers to existing or new product and services. Correct? And how will they get converted? How will a marketing team know that this is the right this is the lead which I was looking for, or where this data will wholly go into? That is Sales Cloud. Okay, they have different objects which is configured, which a company is provided, or you can also provide. Object is nothing but table, collection of data. In Marketing Cloud, it is called data extension. In Sales Cloud, it is called objects. Okay, this I think Lokesh will tell you when you go ahead further. Okay, Sagita, do you want me to go into all these spaces? What are the opportunities and in terms of job and everything?
See, mm, first let us know what is
Yeah.
Marketing Cloud and
Cool.
what
Cool.
will the Marketing Cloud do,
Okay.
just in very layman language.
Share. Let me share my screen. When people see it, they will get to know. Let me know when you can see my screen.
No?
Can you guys see my screen?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
The
Cool.
first question is,
Yes. Very layman terms. Salesforce Marketing Cloud.
what is
Only.
Marketing Cloud and
Okay.
what is this Marketing Cloud doing in the market?
Okay. So Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Only marketing. I'm talking about only Marketing Cloud right now. Okay. I'm not talking about Salesforce ecosystem and other products like sales, service, no other products. Only Marketing Cloud I'm talking about. Salesforce Marketing Cloud is nothing but it provides that kind of integrated marketing solution. When I say integrated, that means all your customers, all your companies are connected on every touch points. What touch points? Offline and online. You have the data of customer, offline data of customer and online data of customer. Online data, we know what is online data, correct? Social media, the interactions over the different channels like emails and SMS. What is offline data? I visited your store. How will this data get captured? So there is always a mechanism in place. Okay, you are doing at my POS, point of sales, every data is collaborated into one single viewpoint of a customers to create a personalized and responsive automated multi-channel campaigns. Okay, for example, if I have visited your store, now how will you target me on email? Okay, so these kind of integration is what Salesforce Marketing Cloud provides. Okay, so Salesforce Marketing Cloud for beginners, it is as simple as drag and drop services. No more coding. It's basic configurations, and as Lokesh told, Salesforce has its own way of doing things, and which you will get to know. You don't have to worry about. Okay, that is something which is part and parcel of every application. Okay, front end, back end, everything. So what Salesforce Marketing Cloud empowers your business to do? For example, just imagine you yourself as a business entity. What you can do is build a single view of customers. As I told you, there are so many tools in Marketing Cloud right now. New technologies in Marketing Cloud, you can do all these things. You can automate real-time customer journey. So have you ever imagined if you are buying something, how you are getting that email? Thank you for purchasing with us. Your so and so, amount has been deducted, or your so and so, your order is this way. Please track your order here. You get an email, you get a SMS. How? Like in within seconds. This is how, which is called automation, real time customer automation and journeys. What will happen is if you don't see those transactional emails, if you don't see those commercial, so this is all called journey. Okay, every like a life journey. I went out, I visited to the store, I went on, ate ice cream, I came back home. Okay, this is how this journey is set up. The third point is connect with your customers and with personalized content. Okay, everything is about customer centric communication. All the CRM, all the marketing channel or companies which are focusing, their focus is customer centric. So how can you be more customer centric than your customer, like your competitors? Is where Marketing Cloud will enable you and give you that power. Okay, and I'm just not saying it. When you learn the technology, you will get to know what is happening out there. Okay, then again making most of your data. And why it is better than all others? Because it is integrated. Because why integration? Because sales will provide you n number of options, an integration between its Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Community Cloud, Commerce Cloud is what makes it more powerful than others, competitor brands. And the trust of Salesforce platform in terms of data integrity, because data is important. When we are talking about data, it seems to be bleak, but it is the most valuable thing. Every company is built on data right now. The power of customers data is what company is made of. Okay, now basic gyan, Salesforce Marketing Cloud, again platform channel. They're basically, when you see the interface of Marketing Cloud, you might get confused in the beginning, but it is very easy. If somebody is there to handhold, it is very easy. So there are a few of the builders are there, few of the studios are there. Okay. Studios are basically based on different channel like email, social, mobile, web, advertisement. And builders are where you build everything like automation, like journey builder, like content builder, like analytics, like personalization builder. There's so many things. Okay, so this is what
But
Salesforce Marketing Cloud is in a nutshell. Okay, the features and what you
so
can do with it.
yeah. So to refine it further, is this different from digital marketing?
It lies in digital marketing ecosystem. Okay, the very basic
Okay.
thing is, because when we talk about digital marketing also have different platforms, so you can consider it one of the platform to target customers. Okay, when it comes to digital marketing, you do target customers, right? Like social media
Mhm.
marketing, you're targeting customer on social media. But what will happen if you want to automate everything? Okay, like your email, like your SMS, like your social media, every platform, like your advertising. So this is one stop shop for everything, and it lies in digital marketing ecosystem. Okay,
Okay.
everything,
And
like
now,
if my friend is working in say Oracle or Alico, it also lies in digital marketing ecosystem. Okay.
okay. And now tell me, what
Yeah.
are all the competitors for Salesforce and how Salesforce is being ahead of them?
Okay, so the competitors of Salesforce are Adobe. Okay, very near and dear competitors of Salesforce. Then we have Oracle. We have something called Braze. Okay, there's so many. Okay, so many. But why I am talking more on Marketing Cloud first? Very first thing is job opportunities. Okay, job opportunities in Marketing Cloud right now. Companies are the people with Marketing Cloud experience are in demand. Any of the people, let's say 0 to 2 years also, there's so many jobs for Marketing Cloud folks, okay, out there. As you compare it with other technology like Adobe or maybe Aliqua, okay, you can go out, search on Google, you'll get to know the difference. Okay, and when it comes to parameters things, okay.
Sorry. So sorry to interrupt, Prakash. So that is
Oh,
the biggest reason I joined this session,
yes, yes,
because Salesforce Marketing Cloud is something is very vast from Oracle and Marketing
correct,
or Adobe Marketing
correct,
Cloud.
correct.
So uh, the another thing, what I understand from you, that the
Yes,
difference between a CRM and a marketing cloud tool or a marketing automation tool is that we are containing the data of a customer or a prospect or a lead into the
correct,
CRM,
correct,
when it is turned from sales qualified lead to their customer journey, or
correct,
maybe the customer loss journey.
correct.
And if we talk about in the marketing cloud, in terms of marketing cloud, means we are doing the nurturing, we are
Yes,
doing the campaign services and all the things
correct,
that comes in the marketing cloud. What
correct.
you just mentioned. Is that correct,
Yes.
Akash?
Yes, yes. When it comes to Salesforce, this is the thing. Okay, Sales
Yes.
Cloud
Yeah.
is embarking all of your data in one place. All of your data. When it comes to companies, most of the companies will buy Sales Cloud first. Okay, and what why Sales Cloud first? Because it will arrange your data like in library. You have segmentations, right? That okay, this is my segment. This is. So when it comes to Sales Cloud, the data is arranged very properly. There are some standard objects which are there. Okay, maybe Lokesh will tell you later, but there are standard objects like accounts, like owners, like opportunities, like contacts, like leads. Okay, and you will have a unified way of looking at your customer data. Now what you will do with that data? Okay, you have data, you want to you want to have the incremental sales, you want to acquire new customers, you want to have more leads. How will you do that? Marketing Cloud. Okay, and this is where the the integration becomes so powerful. And I'm not saying that if you don't have Sales Cloud, you cannot do it. You might have another CRM. For example, my UK folks, my counterparts, they have something called SPCRM. If you might have heard, it is called Single View CRM. That is also CRM. But we need data and Marketing Cloud, right? How will you target customers? How will you get lookalike audience? You have an option here in order to create a lookalike audience in Marketing Cloud. Like if you have an option to create a lookalike audience in Facebook, correct? You have an option here. So there are so many things. You need data here. A Marketing Cloud, you need data as a fuel to run that Marketing Cloud engine. Okay. And why in terms of other it is better? Because it has all the automatic feature. It has all the integration features, and with even normal drag and drop. And most of the SDKs, software development kit tools, are provided by Salesforce itself. Okay, so that is why it becomes more better than other competitors. Okay, because I know. Okay, and that is why I am praising this as a tool, because it has n number of capabilities. If you know what to do, you can do it in this thing without any other support mechanisms. Okay.
Okay. Then how about the the hierarchy or the career growth, the
I
path,
am
the
coming to that
salary?
only. I am coming
Yeah,
to that only. Yes, Anita. So, guys,
please.
you are saying that okay, I'm talking so much about marketing cloud and everything. What are the different roles? Okay, just normal roles. Okay, there are four basic. In my terms, there are, any company can define different roles. Because, for example, the company which I'm working in, they have a definite role for everything. So the roles are very general roles are admin, administrator, then a consultant, then a developer, then an architect. Okay. So what does the admin do? Okay. Admin takes the ownership of the marketing cloud, like normally creating users, defining permission sets. Okay. And if a new customer or new user is joining, so somebody will tell them, okay, we need this in terms of security features, in terms of platform features. Okay, they will do it for you. That is the most basic kind. I'll not say basic, but that is a job where less of coding is required. Okay, again, a consultant. For example, folks who are from MBA background, who are not from MBA background, what does a consultant do? Consultant will understand the requirement. Okay, they will come back to understand the requirement from their clients. They will come back. Okay, they will explain the team that okay, this is the high level scenario, you will have to differentiate this and this. So again, you might be a consultant, you might be called as a Salesforce Marketing Cloud consultant, which is a very very blushy job. People consider as a very blushy job, because you are directly going, you might be traveling most of the times, going to clients place, and connecting with them, the client relationship, getting the requirements, all are the KPIs of all the consulting things. Okay, you might come back, you will have to connect with your developer team, your architects, you will have to regroup and work on that particular requirements. So it's a very interesting job. The folks who do not like to code can come in there. In some of the companies, it is also, some of the project, it is also called business analyst roles. Okay, the third one is developers. Okay, as my friend Lokesh was telling, so there is something, because every a company will run on some custom requirements, which will need development, coding, apart from drag and drop features. Correct. Everything, you are working at any and everywhere. All will come. I think somebody's
Excuse
mic
me.
is
Pankaj, can you please mute yourself?
I'm sorry. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
That's
yeah. Pankaj. So beyond the marketing cloud, declarative. What do you call declarative? Point and click configuration, which is a very basic thing. Beyond that, you can even custom made things. For example, I recently made a preference center. What is a preference center? When I talk about a preference center, as a customer, it is something where the company will ask its customers that what is your preference towards your hobbies, maybe towards your communication preferences. So but the Salesforce Marketing Cloud provides a very standard feature. But what happens if a company, any customer needs to have a custom thing? Some developer will pitch in, they will come, they will create that custom preference center for them and give it to them. Just an example. Okay. So the basic things in terms of development here are, if you know HTML, if you know CSS, and if you know SQL, then half of your life is sorted. Okay. You can start off as a developer. The last one is architect, the final role. So if you are very good with everything, like very good as a consultant, very good as a developer, architect thing will come when you have at least 3 to 6 years of experience in Salesforce ecosystem. Okay, architect thing will come then if you have a very good experience with Salesforce as 3 to 6 years. Now here comes the big picture. Big picture is, they will create that technical document for every requirement. If it is a custom, if it is not a custom, okay, they will do that large volume set of ETL. They will configure the initial marketing cloud instance. Okay, for your this thing, everything, this thing. And what will happen is they will define how to go about it. They will define your folder structure. They will define your data structure. They will create your data model. Okay, so this is all big terms, is something which you will you when you will see, you will visualize, and you will get to know the whole story, which is where you will say, okay, these are just the big terms, the story is still smaller. Okay, so this is marketing cloud roles.